Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get used to cold showers. These will be some easy steps in a simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I will be going over 5 easy steps, 5 easy ways, easy things that you can do to get used to cold showers. If you want to take a cold shower and experience the benefits of a cold shower, this is the video for you. I have to step in there. Obviously, I'm not going to be taking a shower in this video. I contemplated it, but I was like, no, wait, no, I'm just totally joking. I didn't even contemplate it for a second. But yeah, you know, I was going to turn the shower on, to be honest with you, but the sound just wasn't going to work out for the video. So there are 5 things that you can do to get used to cold showers. I try to take cold showers as often as I can. I'm not at the point in my life where I take them daily because I use showers for me as a meditative kind of thing. I bathe myself and then I stay in there for an extra 10 or 15 minutes just meditating, planning out my day for the next day. I'm not using a shower as a tool for me to better myself. I'm using it like physically. I'm using it as a tool for me to better myself mentally in terms of organizing my day. Now, cold showers are great for many things, but you know, for myself right now, I use them as a tool to pump myself up on occasion. I'm already pumped up, as you can tell. This is like 9:30 at night on a Sunday night, and this is how I am. So I don't need a cold shower right now, obviously. I'm already pumped up, but there are times when I need them. So without further ado, these are the 5 things that you can do to get used to them. Number 1, and these are the things that I did to start myself with cold showers as well. So number 1 is to essentially start off by slowly lowering the temperature ever so slightly at the end of a warm shower. So you're taking a warm shower, and you want to lower the temperature just a bit, not to the point where it's freezing cold, just a little bit for like the last 30 seconds of your warm shower. You're going to turn it to like a medium cold shower, not really cold, just like slightly cold shower, okay? So just do that. That's how you start off. At the end of your warm shower, 30 seconds a little bit cooler of a shower. Then you move on to sort of the second thing, which is to gradually increase the duration and decrease the temperature of that coldness of the shower. So you want to increase it from, 30 seconds at a medium cold to like 45 seconds at a lower cold, right? Then a minute at a really cold. And then eventually you're going to get to the point where you can do it for like 2 or 3 minutes at the coldest setting. I'm at the point now where whenever I want to kick it in, okay, whenever I want to drop a gear per se, at the end of my warm shower, I can crank it to the coldest setting, okay? And I can stay there for 2 to 2.5 minutes. And don't get me wrong, it's still hard. It's still really hard. And I've been doing it for years. But I know what to expect. That's the key there. I know what to expect. And I know that I can handle it because I've done it so many times, okay? So gradually lower temperature and longer duration. That brings me to number 3, which number 3 is to do it every single day. If you want to get used to cold showers, you got to do it on the daily. I'm assuming you're showering every day, okay? Yes, on occasion, me too, there is the odd day where honestly some days I literally work so much and I'm exhausted at the end of the day that I just don't have the time to shower, so I shower the next morning, right? So on occasion, instead of showering within a 24-hour period, I'll shower within like a 36-hour period kind of thing. It happens, but I'm assuming you're showering every day for the most part. Try and utilize at least some portion of a cold shower every day. It will help you get used to them. You need to do it every single day. I do something for my channel every day, whether that's filming, whether that's the little amount of editing that I do, uploading, scheduling, coming up with video ideas, buying props. Literally every day I do something for the channel. Now, there are periods of time when for 2 or 3 weeks I won't film anything because I'm so far ahead, it's ridiculous in terms of scheduling ahead of time. And that'll be just, coming up with video ideas. I'll come up with hundreds of video ideas. So you have to do it every day. It doesn't always have to be the coldest setting every day, but you got to do it every day. It's as simple as that. I'm sorry. I'm in my basement bathroom, okay? I thought I saw a centipede. On occasion, there are like these monsters of centipedes that crawl around here. Because it's a basement bathroom, it is what it is. I thought I saw one, but it could have just, no, sorry, it's just my camera case strap. It's all good. It could have just been my shadow. So I'm seeing them everywhere now, but they're not anywhere. Honestly, it's probably my glasses. They're like super scratched up. As you can see, they're extremely scratched. I ordered new ones though. You'll see new glasses in some coming videos in the next couple weeks. So anyways, back to business. Every day, cold showers every day. Number 4 is to mentally prepare yourself for what is to come. A lot of people think cold showers are easy. They are brutally, disgustingly hard, okay? Even now that I know what to expect, I have to mentally prepare myself like, okay, listen, you can do it. It's going to be brutal, but it's going to be over faster than you know it. Count it out in your head. I count out the seconds in my head. Keeps you grounded. Focus on your breathing, because when you go to the coldest setting with your water, it's unbelievably cold. Okay, it's freezing. It's freezing, man. Listen to me, it's freezing. Okay, you'll be shocked at how cold it is. Okay, especially when you first turn into cold, it's gonna be cold, but it takes a few seconds for it to really get cold. Then you're like, holy, man, it's really cold. So mentally prepare yourself. Every single time before you crank that temperature down, mentally prepare yourself for what is to come. Last but not least, number 5, probably the most important thing, is to prepare yourself mentally with regards to what are the benefits of a cold shower. Why are you doing this? Because if you just continually, if you just turn into cold and you don't know why you're doing it, you're probably going to stop, because like, why wouldn't I just take a warm shower? And I did that for a long time. I was doing cold showers and I didn't know why I was doing it. I was like, why don't I just take a warm shower? What am I doing this for? Then I realized I only need it as a tool sometimes. So I utilize it from time to time. I say once a week, twice a week, I'll crank it down to cold to wake myself up, give myself that pump up. Even though I rarely need it, sometimes I do from time to time. I'm not on all the time. Sometimes, I'm on 2nd gear instead of 5th gear. And that's when I need the cold shower to bring me up a couple gears. So just understand the benefits of cold showering, okay? And that's truly it. So hopefully you enjoyed it. I film a lot of videos in my basement bathroom, but this one was literally about cold showers. So I was like, what better setting than literally my basement bathroom, where I shower in here every night for the most part. Sometimes I shower upstairs, ensuite, upstairs bathroom, whatever. But most of the time I shower down here. So what better setting for a cold shower video than down here? So that is it. If you like this video, tutorial / explanation / demonstration / story time, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up or a double thumbs up. I know that's not possible, but go for it anyways. Just give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.